guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get rainbow circle in Instagram story. So make a video or click a picture. So let me take a picture. Okay, now at the top of the screen you can see the sticker button. Tap there. These are the pride sticker. Use any of them. Okay, and now send it to your story. As you can see, you are getting the rainbow circle. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this rainbow circle in Instagram stories. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.